Welcome back. When you arrived at this video, it means that you are looking for information about selecting Pneumatex products via the wizard. You can easily select pressure maintenance devices using the wizard selection mode. And you will notice that the wizard only exists for Pneumatex pressurization devices. In the Product Selection tab, click on the Wizard button or click on the HySelect icon in the upper left corner of the window and click PM Wizard. Follow the wizard and enter the required parameters and values in each window. The windows follow each other in a logical order to guide you. The right pane displays explanations about the parameters as well as schematics to help you set up your selection. When you have completed a window, click on the Next button. If you need to change advanced parameters in any window, unfold the Advanced mode. Let's go. We do want to select our devices for the norm EN 12828. Select one of the other options if otherwise. The safety temperature limiter is put to 100 degrees Celsius, so let's leave it like that. My supply water temperature is 70 degrees Celsius and 50 in the return, as entered by my application parameters. Notice that you can always check the description on the right for more information and the drawing of the setup. Pressures. Let's imagine a building of 5 floors, so approximately 15 meters of height. There is no PZ requirement and the safety valve is at the same level of my pressurization system. The safety valve pressure is at 3 bars. When checking the advanced mode, you notice that you can set the pressurization location if this would be incorrectly done in the discharge of the pump, impacting the total static pressure. Next step. When the system volume is known, enter it here, together with the installed power. If not known, click on the advanced mode. Add the heat generator and the power. Click Next. Add the respective consumers. Add the buffer volume and additional piping. And a hint here, you can add this volume by clicking on the pipe and calculating, or by using the values calculated by the project calculation. Cool. Next step. Select the type of pressure maintenance device. Do you want to select for a static or variable pressure, and if variable with compressor or with pumps? Is there a need for water makeup or degassing? Here you are able to limit the possibilities, but it will maybe in some cases restrict too much. I prefer to leave all options open here. In the heating requirements, you could select some requirements specific to the installation. Like when there is already compressed air on site, you could choose to click Device working with external compressed air. When water makeup is selected, you could specify a break tank here and even introduce measurements of the place for the device, when this is limited. Click Next and you will get an overview of results. Left to the top banner Calculated Data, you will see a plus sign. When clicking the plus, you will get all the information on the calculation, compared for the different systems. Click Select, Add References and/or Remarks. Done. Remark that you can always go back to the different windows to change the values if needed.